In this video, we will learn how to install the current Eclipse version on Windows 10. With that, we will also run a sample Java program. Let us start. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type Eclipse and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. It will directly take you to the downloads page. That is the following. Go below. Here the current version is visible. Click on the download button. I'll click the first one for 64-bit Windows operating system. Download x86_64. Now here the file is visible to download. Can you see we will install this file? It's written JRE. That means Eclipse comes pre-installed with Java. So there is no need to install JDK or JRE separately. Click on it. Now the download will start. The download started. Let's wait. So we have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The Eclipse setup started. Click Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now you can see it automatically selected the Java version, and here is the installation folder. It will create a start menu entry as well as a desktop shortcut. Not a problem. Click install. Now the installation started. We have installed Eclipse. The launch button is visible with the desktop shortcut. We can either click here or directly click launch. I am clicking launch. Now Eclipse will open for the first time. Now here you need to set the workspace. Workspace is a place where your project files will get saved. I'll keep it as default. Select this as the default so that you don't need to set up again and again. So your projects will get saved in this location. Click launch. We have opened Eclipse for the first time. Here you can directly see Java 26 support is visible. Okay, so I'll directly click here so that I can work with Java 26 in Eclipse. Install Java 26 support. Eclipse did not give us an option for Java 26. It was giving us an option for Java 25.0.2 only. So I'm directly adding the support for Java here. That is Java 26. It is asking for confirmation. Okay, click finish. And it will install. So I need to restart now. Click finish. It will restart the IDE. Now our Eclipse will have the JDK 26 support. Now we have the Java 26 support. Okay. Let us create a new Java project. I can directly click here, or I can also go to file and click new Java project. Let us add a name to our project. Our project will get saved here. Can you guess this location? This is the same location where we have set up our Eclipse workspace. So our project and files get saved under our Eclipse workspace only. Execution environment, here now we have the 26 support, that is Java 26. I am not creating a module info file. I don't need it. I am just creating a basic project. Click next. Click finish. Now we have our new Java project and the support is Java 26. Now let us create a new file. Click on source. Click new. Then click on class. Let us create a new class. Okay, I'll add the name demo. You can add any name. We can also add a package, but let us keep it as a default. I'll go for public static void main. Click finish. Now we have a demo.java file in our default package. So can you see the class name is equal to the file name? So you need to keep the file name as similar to the class name, as there will be an error. Now to print something, write the system class dot out which is an output stream. After that, mention the print method. Okay, so whatever we will add inside this will get printed. I am just printing my name, so this will give an output Amit Diwan. That's it. Go to file, click save all. So after Java 21 there is no need to add static, but let's say we are adding it. Main is where the program execution begins, and the following is for command line arguments. Right click, run as, click Java application. Now our output is Amit Diwan. I told you whatever I'll add inside this will get printed. So our output is Amit Diwan. For a free Java and Eclipse tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.